Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by revealing the keyframes, press U and pick the animated property you need. Once done, enter the graph editor so you can see value or speed graphs clearly. Make sure interpolation is set to Bezier. That gives you editable handles and predictable motion. While you're here, zoom to fit the selected keys so handles are readable. This prevents accidental tweaks later. Now select the exact keyframes you want to copy. We'll duplicate their motion, not just values. You copy the selected keyframes with Ctrl or CMD+C and paste them into the target layer right away. If the source uses value graph but the target is using speed, make sure to convert between value and speed interpretations, otherwise motion looks wrong. Once pasted, use the graph editor's convert vertex type or manual handle adjustments to match curvature. If you need exact timing, use time remapping or alt-drag to align keyframe positions. Because timing differences break the intended, you finish by refining handles and easing so the copied curve feels natural. Nudge tangents for subtle changes and apply easy ease where needed. Make sure to preview at full frame rate. Lower preview settings can mislead you about motion flow. If motion diverges, check the target layer's units, frame rate, and whether you paste it into the value versus speed graph. Mismatches cause visual shifts. One key troubleshooting tip: if curves behave oddly, toggle graph type and reapply conversion before manual edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.